What's up, guys? Gonna do a little review of some Rock Rooster boots that I've had for a year and a half now, and then unbox a new pair that I just got. So I'm pretty excited. These were the wedge. You could see they're pretty beat up, but not too bad. To be honest, these would be fine if I were to keep wearing these. Basically wear these in the garage, in the shop, maybe a few scuff marks. The tread, still great shape, great shoe. I'd keep wearing these, but I'm excited for a new pair. There we go. Another pair of wedge boots. I like this one because it has the speed laces up top, unlike my other ones. They're a little higher too. Again, steel toe. Super strong, same great, vibrant, and it's a wedge, same as the other one. Yeah, I'm gonna try them on. We'll see how they fit. Here we go. Yeah, check them out, Rock Rooster. I think they're great. So thanks, guys. Like, subscribe.